Now see the third example. From the information shown in the figure, state the test assuring the congruence of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Write the remaining congruent part of the triangle. See here, two triangles given. We are required to prove these two triangles are congruent. Then write the remaining congruent part. Remaining congruent part means remaining side and remaining angle. So the correspondence. See, in this triangle ABC and triangle PQR, look at the correspondence, that angle A correspond to angle Q. Then angle B correspond to angle P. And angle C correspond to angle R. So we write, that is the first, that is in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. What is the first segment? That is segment AB congruent segment. See the same sign, segment PQ. Okay. Now, what is the segment? This is a right angle. So, opposite side is a hypotenuse. So, I write here hypotenuse BC congruent hypotenuse. Here also right angle PR. So, this is shown in your diagram. So, this is the given. Okay. So, now next one, that is angle A congruent angle Q. So, angle A congruent angle Q. This is also shown in our figure. So, this is the given. Therefore, this is the third statement. And fourth one, that is triangle ABC. Our three pairs are complete. Congruent to triangle PQR. By which test? We use that. Which test? Hypotenuse given here. So, hypotenuse side test. So, I write here hypotenuse side test. Now, see the remaining part. What is the remaining part? That is first, see the here segment AC and segment QR. Means this corresponding side of congruent triangles. So, I write here next, that is segment AC congruent segment QR. Okay. So, I write here CSCT. CSCT means that is the corresponding sides of congruent triangles. In short, we write CSCT. Now, next one, that is the which angle? Angle, what is the remaining part? Angle B and angle C. So, first we write angle B. So, angle B congruent in which angle? Angle P. Okay. And next one, that is angle C congruent angle R. So, this is the CACT. That is the corresponding angles of congruent triangle. In short, we write CACT, corresponding angle of congruent triangle. So, this is our remaining part. See the fourth question. As shown in the following figure, triangle LMN and triangle PNM. Triangle LMN and triangle PMN. LM equal to PN. LM equal to PN. And LN equal to PM. And LN equal to PM. Okay. Write the test which assures the congruence of two triangles. And write the remaining congruent parts. Now, we prove that these two triangles are congruent and then write the remaining congruent part. I draw here this diagram in separate, that is a separate triangle. Here triangle LMN and triangle PNN. See in this diagram, here is the MN and MN. So obviously MN equal to MN, that is the common side. So I write here in triangle LMN and triangle PNN. So, first, that is the first segment LM congruent to segment PN. Okay. Now, what is the second one? That is LN congruent PM. So, segment LN congruent segment PM. That is given in our example. So, right here given. Now, the next one, that is the MN. So, third one, that is segment MN in triangle LMN congruent to segment this triangle PMN. So, segment MN. What is the reason? Common side. Okay, so our three pairs are complete. Therefore, this triangle LMN congruent triangle PNM. Okay, so which test? SSS, side, side, side. So right here SS test. Now, next we require to write remaining congruent part. So what is the remaining? Here three sides are complete or three sides are congruent. So what is the remaining? That is the all angles. So I write here next, that is the angle. So angle MLN congruent angle NPM. Here MLN and NPM. This is the first. Now second one, angle LMN congruent angle PNM. See, LMN and PNM. Now next angle, that is angle LNM congruent to angle PMN. LNM and PMN. So these all three angles are the, we say that the corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So in short we write CACT, corresponding angle for congruent triangles. See the next question, question number 5. The diagram given in your textbook. See what is the given? That is segment AB congruent segment BC. Segment AB congruent segment BC. This is the same side. Segment AD congruent segment CD. AD congruent segment CD. Here also same side. And what to prove? That is triangle ABD. ABD congruent triangle CBD. So in this diagram, here's the two information given, but third one is not given. So here see the here BD is a common side. So BD equal to BD because common side. So we write the first, that is the in triangle ABD and triangle CBD. Okay, what is the first? That is segment AB congruent segment BC. Okay, AB congruent BC. Now second one, segment AD congruent segment here CD. So what is the reason? That is given in our example. So what is the next one? That is third, segment BD congruent segment BD. Right here common side. Okay, our three pairs are complete. Therefore, this triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. Which test? That is the side, side, side. So right here SSS test. We only prove this angle are congruent, not write the remaining congruent part. See the last question, question number 6. Diagram draw here. What is the given? Angle P congruent angle R. So P congruent angle R. This is the common. Okay, congruent. Then segment PQ congruent segment RQ. Segment PQ congruent segment RQ. This is whole segment. Okay. What to prove? That is triangle PQT congruent triangle RQS. So these two triangles. I draw here separately. This angle and this angle are congruent. Then PQ and here the RQ become congruent. And we prove that this. Now here also we have give only two information. What is the next one? See in this proof, that is PQT and RQ. Q is a common. So this is the our third pair. So which test we follow? That is ASA. Here also ASA test. So I write here in triangle PQT and triangle RQS. What is the first? That is angle P congruent angle R. And second one, segment PQ congruent segment RQ. So this is given in our example. So right here given reason. Now what is the next? Third one. That is angle this angle QQ. So angle PQT congruent angle RQS. Right here common angle. Okay. So our three test means three pairs complete. So we write here next, that is triangle PQT congruent triangle RQS, by which test AS.